Good morning, K3. I'm so happy to be here with you. This is our reading phonics and letters and sounds class. Guess what day it is? Today is Wednesday, that's right. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday, that's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of November. Can you help me read the date? Super. Today is Wednesday, November 17th, 2021. And I have a little question. How many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. That's right. And when you put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. Super duper. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. A, E, I, O, U, vowel disco. Super. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with the happy face. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with the line. Today, we are going to learn a new consonant. The name of this letter is D. It makes the sound D, as in dog. D says D, D, D. Letter D looks like a little stick with a tummy. And then we have another little stick with a ball on it the other way. Super. So the name of this letter is D. It makes the sound D, as in dog. D says D, D, D. Super. Okay, now look what it says up here. Letters. We forgot the S there. Letters and sounds. Pages 31 and 32. So let's get our letters and sounds book out. And let's open up to page 31. There it is. 3 10s and 1 1. And let's make sure to write our name nice and neatly at the top of the page. And one says, match the pictures whose names begin with the same letter. You know what same means. Of course you do. Okay, so this is deer. Deer, and then we have turtle and duck. Deer, turtle, duck. Which 2 animals begin with the same letter? Okay, deer and duck. That's right. Next one, cow, pig, cat. Cow, pig, cat. Which 2 animals begin with the same letter? That's right, cow and cat. Match them up. Here's the next one. Swan, skunk, owl. One more time. Swan, skunk, owl. Which 2 animals begin with the same sound? Skunk and swan. That's right. Okay, and then we have goat, horse, gorilla. Goat, horse, gorilla. Which 2 letters begin with the same sound? Which 2 words, animals? That's right, goat and gorilla. Alrighty. 2, circle the blend your teacher says. So we have these cute little clouds. In this cloud, I want you to circle the ka, ka. Super. In this cloud, I want you to circle the blend that says ta, ta, ta. And in this cloud, I want you to circle the blend that says ne, ne, ne. Super. Okay, let's turn the page to page 32. And it says, match each picture to the letter you hear at the beginning of its name. Okay, here we go. Let's start here. Monkey, monkey. Match it up. You've got this. Tiger, tiger. Match the tiger to the letter. It begins with bear, bear. You've got this. Lion, lion. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. Seal, seal. Did you match the animals to the letter it begins with? Super. And then here too says, circle the blend your teacher says. Look, there's a little girl with some pails. There's a little piggy. And there's some jars. So let's look at this jar. Can you circle the blend that says ma, ma? Super. Next one. Circle the blend that says he, he. Next one. Circle the blend that says sa, sa. Next one. Circle the blend that says ga, ga. Super duper. That is our class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.